Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Today we're going to be doing the review of the Eureka Solitaire AL. Check this bad puppy out. You can fit a whole person and a dog in it.
Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, it helps out a lot. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and stay tuned for all you need to know about this tent.
Stoneface!
It's backpacking time!
Yeah! Hey everybody, today we're going to be checking out the Eureka Solitaire AL. It weighs 2 pounds, 10 ounces. You have 21 square foot of space in there. Basically it is 9 foot by 3 foot. So hey, let's check it out today. So basically what the tent has, it comes with stakes and the aluminum rods. The AL stands for aluminum. Prior to them having aluminum rods, they actually had a fiberglass rods for it, and the fiberglass rods, they didn't have some luck on it, so they went to, for the improvement, they went with the aluminum rods. So basically the tent here has curved aluminum rod. It easily fits in there with the string attached to it. Snaps in there. Hey, that's pretty nice. So the aluminum rod just simply snaps in there. The back portion of it out, and then move the head of it, or vice versa. It really doesn't matter. One thing you will notice with this tent is it has a whole lot of screen covering here. So when you have the rainfly rolled up, you're definitely getting a lot of breeze through this whole entire tent. And one thing with the Eureka Solitaire AL too is you notice a zipper in the middle here, so you can actually step in and step out of this tent. Yeah. That is nice though. You know, you can peek out, you can turtle in this tent. That's pretty nice. It's a nice option. You don't find many tents that has the turtle option. Turtle. So there you have it. We have a screened in Bivvy style tent for the Eureka AL Solitaire. It's a nice tent. It's roomy. As per the package here, you can actually fit a whole person and a dog in there. So that's a nice option. Many tents don't have the dog option. So now we're going to move to the rain fly, since it is kind of raining a little bit here. So simply unattach that. The spring bungee cord here, right around there. Middle section. It's the same setup. Bungee cord goes down there. And then of course, when you're not just setting up in the backyard, you're gonna have another stake where it's gonna make it really taut there. And there is room here too for your sleeping, for your camping bag, backpack too. It's got some Velcro right here for an overlap for a rain fly, which is a very nice option. So when it's really raining, you can crawl up in there. It is a very nice option. So what do I think about the Eureka AL Solitaire tent? I think it's a very good option for a one-person camping trip. One person and a dog, as per the package. That's a great option to have. It is a bivvy style, so you're not going to get that much headroom. I am a rather small guy, and I cannot even set up in it. So that is something to think about. You're definitely not going to spend a lot of time in this tent. It is basically just a tent to lay down, sleep, but it is definitely for the money and the options that it comes with the screened in completely for the summertime. That's great, especially if you're camping in high humidity. That is a great option to have. It's definitely going to keep the mosquitoes off you, and it is a nice tent to have, and it's a great bivvy style tent. I give it 4, count them, 4 Stonefaces up. Well folks, that is the AL Eureka Solitaire tent.
Stoneface.
It's turtling time.